What we do here is go back.
What's good, squad? Welcome back to another day. I'm getting ready to head up to meet my mom real quick. Look how fast these clouds are moving. Let's get up here to the animal shelter. What's good, buddy?
What's up, man?
You're on the vlog.
Oh, am I? Beautiful dog.
Yeah, she's pretty. Friendly?
Very.
Yeah.
But I just can't. The only time she's crazy is when she sees other dogs.
Alright, so I'm done having lunch with my mother. Now I'm headed over to Veronica's house. Gonna hang out with her for a little bit. Let's go.
Big dog.
So I'm running out to get a quick bite to eat. I've been knee deep in editing pretty much all day. And I also haven't eaten. So I'm gonna go address that now. Also, I apologize if the audio on that last clip was extremely bad. It is very, very, very windy outside. I'm doing well. How's your night going? When you ask for water at Subway, this is the size cup they give you. Look at this thing. It's like a shot of water. It's because they want you to buy that soft drink. They want you to buy that big cup. I'm not gonna do it though. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. How lovely are your Christmas. Okay, I ate. I'm home now. This is the end of today's vlog. Today was a great day, but tomorrow is going to be even better. See you then. Remember to stay positive and laugh at life.